Despite this PC having a compatible CPU, an i5-8400 to be exact, it doesn't meet the minimum requirements to run Windows 11. Or at least it doesn't right now.
Why is that?
Well, we can easily find out by running Microsoft's PC Health Check app, which allows us to scan the PC against the requirements if we click Check Now, where we'll see despite meeting almost every requirement, we're missing one, and that's TPM 2.0.
See, TPM, also known as the Trusted Platform Module,
Is a secure microchip typically located on your motherboard
that's specifically designed to carry out hardware-based security features
to make your hardware and operating system a little more secure. And for Windows 11, TPM 2.0, the newest version, is a requirement for some enhanced security features. See, every time you turn your PC on in Windows 11,
your Windows operating system looks for something called a cryptographic key,
which is like a unique authentication code to verify the hardware accessing your drive hasn't changed or been tampered with.
but if it has, its goal is to not provide that unique code,
Locking up access from the encrypted operating system. There are a number of other ways it's used too, but that's the main one why Windows 11 requires it. So how exactly do we get TPM to be detected? Well, the good news is that if you have any modern motherboard, I mean that in perspective of supporting a compatible CPU, you probably already have a TPM 2.0 chip, and it just needs to be turned on. So let's shut this PC off, turn it back on, press delete to enter our BIOS, and then in here is going to look a little different depending on what board you have. We're dealing with an MSI board here, but for the most part, it's pretty much the same. You're going to want to be in advanced mode, go over to settings, then we're going to look for security, which will give us the option for trusted computing. If we enter there, we're going to want to make sure our TPM device selection is on PTT. That's Intel's naming scheme for firmware-based TPM.
AMD uses something called FTPM,
But either way, that's the one you're going to want to use. Then we're going to go up to security device support, and we'll see that that's disabled right now. So let's just click to enable it. And then if we just save changes and reboot, we'll see that as soon as we get into Windows, TPM 2.0 is now enabled, which means we can install Windows 11
without getting an error this time.
And with Windows 11 now installed, let's clean this PC up so we can get this upgraded system back over to our customer.